sister's sitting right in front of me, which is kind of making me uncomfortable, to be honest. So this coming weekend we have a wedding to go to, my cousin's wedding. The following weekend is my childhood friend, right? She's my childhood friend.
Yeah.
Her baby shower. The weekend after that, I think we have a wedding to go to. I probably shouldn't be having all these tacos, but I am.
I'll just watch it.
My sisters are laughing at me. Don't mind them.
I'm like, get my phone, please. I'm sorry.
What am I doing? It's gonna be a pretty busy month. And I think that's all. For now on, then Emma's birthday, I don't know when to celebrate it. Because I don't really want to celebrate it on a Sunday. Her birthday is actually this coming Wednesday, September 26th. So I don't know.
You should have a mukbang. No tiene su cuarto colgado. You should have a mukbang.
I hope I'm not chewing too loud. These tacos are really good. I like a pastor, or other people call them, or some people call them adobada.
No, because she just started making them.
I've had them with this type of a pastor meat with pineapple. It's good. Pineapple and onion. Good.
Whoa,
And my sister-in-law made these like pickled purple onion with carrots. Good. Not spicy whatsoever. No? Oh heck no. Who eats sexy or who eats pretty? Not me. I sure don't. Look at this.
You want to show it?
Not pretty and not sexy.
That's how you do it, watch.
How to eat pretty. All we need is a pretty person to eat. I mean what? This is my niece. Her name is Heaven. She looks like me, I know. I get it all the time.
Excuse me, Penny. Penny, excuse me.
I got 5 tacos. It was so much fun yesterday.
I don't think I've had that much fun in like forever.
We had lots of fun. I have blisters on my feet. I'd show you, but they look like Flintstone feet.
They look like Flintstone?
So,
I'm gonna become famous off that. Show them.
Flintstone feet.
Drea, how many tacos do you want?
None.
Drea, how many tacos do you want?
I don't want none.
Drea.
I just want to go water.
I wish somebody could ask me how many tacos do I want and I would say none. That'd be awesome.
There you go.
But kind of wouldn't.
My ass.
Because then I wouldn't eat tacos.
Dance and shit. I got a video that I'm gonna show you.
My nephews just got here.
Reggie!
How your dad?
I'm drinking Coke Zero, by the way. I just feel, I tricked my mind to feel a little healthier. Not healthier, but less calories. Hey, handsome. I had fun last night. You know how to dance. My nephew, I've never seen him dance. Hey, beautiful. Hey, I've never seen him dance, ever.
If you guys want to talk.
And he was dancing yesterday, last night. If you watch my vlog, you'll see him dancing.
These are gonna be my chilies. Does anybody want chili?
I have some.
Migraines. Don't touch them.
I never said I was gonna get any.
You're gonna be migraine from now on.
That's not nice.
It is. It's the truth. We're not being nice. We're being speaking.
Why is he like alcohol?
What's up, llama?
You can't sit here because you can say I chew like a llama.
Mommy, what happened? She was like, like really loud? Does it get on your nerves? Why doesn't she just chew normal, huh? Or regular?
With my front teeth. Why don't I just chew with my front
I
teeth?
know. I was like, I don't know anybody that chews like that, bro. I really wish my tortillas were a little bit more. Emma, come here. Tell me she wanted Zamora. Come here.
Wow, it's just like
Isn't she one? 100%.
Definitely.
Yeah, yes, too. Stop. Stop. That's a vlog. It's him.
there's a beat.
Oh my gosh.
That's what my sister has to deal with. Look at that. And then they wonder why I only have one kid.
Stop.
Right here.
They're matching cute.
That's exactly why. They're just playing. They're always playing around. They're being silly, but.
The 3 older boys of the family.
Oh, I have cilantro on my teeth.
Knock stuff down. What's the difference? There's like 20 people in line?
No, there's actually 22 people.
God.
I think I'm gonna get 4 more tacos. Or 3 more tacos.
She's really getting 4.
Damn.
No, this. Yeah?
Oh, I hit my hand. Cheers.
Oh, did I show you what Alicia actually wants? No, she just sent this to me yesterday.
Let me go get more onion.
You don't push pause?
I'm gonna let my stomach relax for this.
So what do you go? You just go back and edit or take out the parts that you want? Do you lose memory when you? Oh, my interrupting here.
She's trying to steal my.
Did you feel?
I don't really know if I'm actually gonna post this. I was so zoomed in. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing. I was like, oh great. I don't know if I'm gonna post this, but
No.
When you go back and delete, do you delete what you don't want?
on my phone, yes. On my camera, no.
So it's taking up your memory?
Yeah. I used to delete it, but then I say, what if I need it for some reason?
You're a hoarder. That's about it.
I mean, I guess because only I don't store it on a computer. I do everything on my phone, but if I do it on my phone, it takes up all my memory on my phone.
Oh, I see.
So,
You didn't put nothing in your taco meat?
I just put lemon.
That's it?
Mom? Are your meats falling out?
It's too far for you to hear her, huh?
Yeah.
Like you have no meat up in that taco.
Yeah. Oh.
I have 2 more tacos to go. I'll probably get a few more. But this will be the end of my eating vlog.
Mukbang.
My sister's sitting right in front of me, which is kind of making me uncomfortable, to be honest. She's just staring at me. So I will end it here. I'll see you guys later. Bye.